I'm a member of the board of directors here at Incarnate Word High School. I'm a parent as well. My daughter's a senior here at Incarnate Word. My mother also went to Incarnate Word, and my wife also is a graduate as well, so I'm part of the family. Single-sex education was very important for me. The results that Incarnate Word women produce, whether it's college scholarships or in the business community, is a tremendous advantage for my child, and I wanted her to have that in the next phase of her life.
When my children started back here at Incarnate Word High School, I knew I wanted to be involved. I quickly started being involved with the Shamrock shop. The Shamrock shop sells merchandise to allow Shamrocks to show their support for Incarnate Word High School. And currently I'm on the PTO as treasurer.
The function of the PTO, parent-teacher organization, is to assist parents and teachers, faculty, staff in helping the school run smoothly. We also help financially with scholarship opportunities to make sure that every girl has an opportunity to go here.
So the aviation course was started by the STREAM program coordinator. It is introductory right now, but the intention is by next year and the third year we will be offering the programs where the girls can either get their 107 drone commercial pilot license or take their private pilot written.
I have no questions that sending my girls here that they're going to do great in college, because they definitely prepare them academically, spiritually, just all around. They're very independent and strong.
You belong here at Incarnate Word High School.